Liver is the largest internal organ in the body, and the liver is the only organ in the body that has the ability to regrow.
Barbara O'Neill is an Australian advocate for alternative healthcare. With over 3 decades of experience, she has made a name for herself as a health educator, author, naturopath, and nutritionist. Barbara is also known for her international speaking engagements on natural healing. This video highlights the importance of the liver. Did you know that maintaining a healthy liver can actually help protect your body against cancer? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and knowledge to help you live your healthiest life.
You see, cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance. So environmental poisons coming into the body, everything goes straight to the liver. And if it's toxic, the liver says, whoa, nasty guy, wrap him up in fat and store him. And if the liver looks at it and says, no, we can break that down to a state that can be easily released, that is what it will do.
At the Living Springs Retreat, run by Barbara O'Neill, one of the main goals is to detoxify the body. To achieve this, the program offers a variety of detoxifying drinks.
Can you see that we are nutritionally supporting your liver to effectively detoxify you?
We are so excited to share these powerful drinks with you, inspired by the incredible work of Barbara O'Neill. These drinks are more than just delicious, they're packed with cancer-fighting properties that can help you live a longer, healthier life. We'll provide you with the recipe details so you can easily make these at home. Number 1, Alo Lemon Water.
You only had Alo Lemon Water this morning.
Alo Lemon Water is a refreshing and health-boosting drink that combines the cleansing power of aloe vera with the immune-boosting benefits of lemon. This drink helps detoxify your body, supports digestion, and enhances hydration. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, it also promotes clear skin and strengthens your immune system. To make it, mix aloe vera gel with fresh lemon juice and water, then sweeten with honey if desired. You can also experiment by adding ingredients like mint, cucumber, or ginger for extra flavor and benefits. Enjoy this drink first thing in the morning or throughout the day for a hydrating, nutrient-packed boost. For a twist, try combining it with coconut water for added electrolytes or a hint of basil for a refreshing touch. Whether you keep it simple or get creative, Alo Lemon Water is a delicious way to support your health naturally. Number 2, green barley or liquid chlorophyll.
Green barley or liquid chlorophyll is one of the most potent blood and tissue cleansers there is. So it cleanses the tissues and also heavy metals. So if someone is detoxing from either of these, I would advise taking the chlorophyll or the green barley or some form 3 or 4 times a day. So it depends on what the problem is.
Green barley, made from young barley leaves, is a superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It helps detoxify your body, balances pH levels, boosts energy, and supports digestion. You can easily add it to water or smoothies for a nutrient-rich daily boost. Liquid chlorophyll, derived from green plants, offers similar benefits. Known for its detoxifying properties, it cleanses the liver and helps remove toxins from the body. Chlorophyll also acts as a natural deodorizer, improves oxygen flow by enhancing red blood cells, and has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It's simple to incorporate into your routine, just mix it with water or juice. Both supplements provide a natural way to enhance your energy, support detoxification, and promote overall health. Number 3, lemon.
Lemon, the humble lemon, has a great tonic effect. You might have heard the old saying, bitter to the mouth, sweet to the stomach. And sweet to the mouth, bitter to the stomach. Well, you apply that to the liver. Bitter to the mouth, it's a sweet to the tonic. Lemon is one of the best tonics for the liver. So having a warm lemon water in the morning has a nice tonic effect on the liver. Also, lemon alkalizes the tissues, so it's a nice drink to have in the morning to help the tissues alkalize.
Lemons are not just for adding zest to dishes, they're packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a health powerhouse. They boost your immune system, aid digestion, promote glowing skin, and help detoxify the body. Surprisingly, despite their tartness, lemons also help balance your body's pH levels. 4 simple recipes. 1. Lemon water. Start your day with a glass of water mixed with fresh lemon juice, refreshing and detoxifying. 2. Lemon garlic dressing. Whisk lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, and Dijon mustard for a zesty salad dressing. 3. Honey lemon ginger tea. Combine lemon slices, grated ginger, and honey in hot water for a soothing tea. 4. Lemon sorbet. Mix lemon juice with simple syrup, freeze and enjoy a tangy, refreshing treat. Number 4. Dandelion.
So let's look at some bitter herbs. Dandelion. Dandelion is a well-known liver herb.
Dandelions, often viewed as weeds, are actually packed with nutrients and offer a range of health benefits. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like iron and calcium, making them great for liver health, digestion, and detoxification. 3 recipes to try. 1. Dandelion tea. Steep dried dandelion root or leaves in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Sweeten with honey or lemon if desired for a soothing, detoxifying drink. Dandelion root coffee. Brew roasted dandelion root in hot water for a caffeine-free coffee alternative that supports liver function. 3. Dandelion pesto. Blend dandelion greens with nuts, parmesan, garlic, and olive oil for a unique pesto. Number 5. Ginger.
And a sweet bitter is ginger. So your 10 o'clock juice, which is Granny Smith apple and ginger, I think it's one of the nicest, has a nice stimulating effect to the blood.
Ginger is a versatile spice celebrated for its unique flavor and health benefits. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce pain, improve digestion, and boost immunity. 4 delicious ginger recipes. 1. Ginger juice recipes. A typical ginger and apple juice recipe includes 1 or 2 apples and a small piece of ginger, about half to 1 inch in size. It's often served with half a lemon and some water to achieve your desired consistency. At Barbara's Retreat, another detox juice featuring ginger is also commonly served.
Well, at Living Springs, we do juices every 2 hours. The main juice is 80% carrot, 10% apple, 10% celery. And that can be taken every 2 hours. Sometimes we add a bit of cucumber, sometimes we add a few more greens, sometimes we add a bit of ginger, sometimes a little bit of beet or beetroot. So we alternate the juices a little bit. So 2 days on juices is a great detox.
2. Ginger tea. Boil fresh ginger slices in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add honey or lemon for a soothing drink that aids digestion and supports your immune system. 3. Ginger lemonade. Infuse water with grated ginger, then mix with lemon juice and honey. Serve chilled for a refreshing, immune-boosting drink. 4. Ginger smoothie. Blend banana, Greek yogurt, spinach, fresh ginger, and almond milk for a nutritious and tasty smoothie. Number 6. Proteins drinks. Barbara's protein drinks support the liver's detoxification process, which involves 2 main phases. In phase 1, enzymes like cytochrome P450 transform toxins into less harmful substances through oxidation, reduction, or hydrolysis. Sometimes, these intermediate metabolites can be more toxic. In phase 2, these intermediates undergo further modification through conjugation reactions, making them water-soluble. Amino acids or proteins are crucial for phase 2 detoxification because they provide the necessary substrates for these reactions. During phase 2, toxic intermediates from phase 1 are conjugated with molecules like glutathione, glycine, and others derived from amino acids. This conjugation process makes toxins more water-soluble, allowing them to be excreted through urine or bile. Without enough amino acids, the liver can't effectively perform these detoxification processes.
So phase 2 needs protein. Now this explains why yesterday, on Monday, we gave you 2 protein drinks. So you had 5 juices yesterday. So Monday, 5 juices. Your 8 o'clock one was green barley. 10 was the protein. 12 was green barley. 2 was protein. And your 4 was green barley. Because yesterday your requirements for antioxidants exceeded your liver's requirements for protein. But notice today, well, today's only just started, you'll be having your 5 juices again, but the 8, 12, and 4, you'll be given protein. Whereas the 10 and the 2, that's where you'll get your green barley. So the protein that we use is a pea protein. It's been pre-digested. One lady said, who digested it? It's an enzyme action, like taking milk to yogurt. That initial breakdown has begun. Remember what the protein does? It mops up those toxic metabolites.
Number 7. Milk thistle.
Also St. Mary's thistle. St. Mary's thistle is also called milk thistle.
Milk thistle is a powerful herb known for its liver protective properties thanks to its active compound, silymarin. This antioxidant supports liver health, aids detoxification, and promotes overall well-being. 4 easy milk thistle recipes. 1. Milk thistle tea. Steep crushed milk thistle seeds in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey or lemon for a soothing liver-friendly drink. Milk thistle smoothie. Blend milk thistle powder with banana, spinach, almond milk, and flax seeds for a nutrient-packed detox smoothie. 3. Milk thistle pesto. Blend fresh basil, ground milk thistle seeds, nuts, garlic, and olive oil. Use this liver-friendly pesto on pasta or as a spread. 4. Detox salad. Toss mixed greens with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and ground milk thistle seeds. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for a refreshing, liver-boosting salad. Number 8. Colon tea. At Barbara's Health Retreat, guests are offered colon tea as part of their wellness program.
So if you're not evacuating every day, please see the staff and they'll give you a little bit more of the colon tea. And the herbs that we offer you are herbs in the form of colon tea. We call it colon tea because they are herbs that gently stimulate, revive, and restore the function of the colon.
The liver relies on a healthy colon to efficiently eliminate waste and toxins, which helps reduce its detoxification workload. A balanced gut microbiota, supported by the colon, prevents the production of harmful substances that could damage the liver. Proper colon function also helps avoid systemic inflammation and ensures efficient bile recycling. Additionally, the liver benefits from the colon's role in nutrient absorption and minimizing endotoxins, which protects it from inflammation and damage. Simple colon tea recipes. 1. Basic cleansing tea. Mix senna, peppermint, ginger, and fennel in boiling water. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain and sweeten with honey for a gentle evening cleanse. 2. Ginger and dandelion tea. Combine dandelion root, ginger, and peppermint in hot water. Add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing morning detox. 3. Aloe vera and fennel tea. Steep fennel and chamomile, then mix in aloe vera juice for a soothing digestive aid. 4. Peppermint and licorice tea. Blend peppermint, licorice root, and ginger for a calming, colon-supporting tea. Number 9. Gentian.
Gentian, this is not as well known. Gentian is also an incredibly bitter herb.
Gentian is a powerful herb known for its bitter taste and digestive benefits. It's been used for centuries to stimulate appetite, improve digestion, and support liver health. The bitterness of gentian root helps increase the production of digestive enzymes in bile, making it a natural remedy for indigestion, bloating, and sluggish digestion. 3 simple gentian recipes. 1. Gentian tea. Steep dried gentian root in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon to balance the bitterness, and drink before meals to boost digestion. 2. Gentian tincture. Soak gentian root in vodka or brandy for 4 to 6 weeks, then strain. Take a few drops before meals to aid digestion. 3. Digestive bitters. Infuse gentian root, orange peel, and fennel seeds in alcohol for 2 to 4 weeks. Take a drop or 2 before meals for digestive support. And there you have it, 9 incredible drinks that can help you kill cancer, beat disease. Remember, these drinks are not just about prevention, they're also about nurturing your body, boosting your immune system, and helping you feel your best every single day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these powerful drinks. Let's spread the knowledge and keep our bodies healthy together. See you in the next video.